Let me see if I got this adjusted good. Yep, okay. So we're wrapping up season 3 of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, and I can't think of a more beautiful place than here to do it. It's just a beautiful stretch of beach. So first off, I just want to thank everybody that voted and made comments in this series. I really feel that your comments and the way you vote help me improve my channel, so I want to thank you for that. Also, let's take a look at the 3 shots. I haven't announced week 3 winner yet, but we're going to do that in this video. In week 1 of season 3, went to River Park, spotlighted 3 drone shots, and this is the one that won your vote. Just a beautiful shot of the drone following the birds along the river. In week 2, I took you to Jensen Beach Causeway. We were running late on time. It was starting to get dark, but we were able to pull off 3 amazing shots, and this is the one that won your vote. In week 3, we went to the other side of the state of Florida to a place near Tampa called John's Pass, and this is the shot that won your vote from there. Thanks again for everyone that voted. I tell you what, we got a lot of big plans for coming up for future videos. So I'm kind of ending episode 3 a little early. You know, we did 3 places, but you know what? 2021's coming around the corner. Maybe we'll do a season 4, but before we do that, we have a bunch of nice, good plans for some travel videos, taking you to some different places, and those will be coming soon. We're gonna work on those. So I showed you the 3 winners, but also put a little compilation together of all the drone shots from when I was out filming, making the series. So I'm gonna crank up the music from Epidemic Sound. Click the link in the description, check them out, and enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button 2021 style, because you know 2020 just sucked, so let's forget about that. Also, if you like this type of content, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get, or hit the bell so you get notifications for future videos. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.